Hello, welcome to our channel where we explore the world of Odoo. Odoo POS application has the capability to send sales receipts to customers by email. However, the design of the email is very plain. Additionally, there isn't any option to customize the design. Today we're going to create a module to address this issue. Before anything, we need to know how the original code works. Unfortunately, there isn't any documentation for this. But we can trace it with the browser's developer tools and some guessworks. First, let's create an order. Since we know the email sending process is triggered by the Send Email button, we can just right-click and inspect it. Then we can see the HTML tags for the button itself and other tags related to it. But because there is no ID attribute on the tags, we need to do a guesswork. In this case, since class Send Email is somehow unique and related to email, we can try to search it on the codes. As we can see here, the search was successful and we can trace it further to the JavaScript and Python code. At the end of it, we find that the values for POS order receipt email are from method prepare mail values of class POS order. Since Odoo already have a feature for email templates, we're going to use it for our module. In other words, our module will override the original process which uses simple string template for email in Python code with a configurable email template. Now let's jump into the codes. As always, first we create the directory for the module, the manifest file and the init files. For this module we only need two subdirectories, models directory and data directory. This time I only override method action receipt to customer. I make it so it only send the receipt image without invoice. We also need to create the email template. This template will be used by the module each time it sends an email. And that is it. Let's see if it works. First, we need to install the module and set the custom design. This time I use email template developed by Lee Monroe on GitHub with some modifications. Please find the link on this video description. Unfortunately, my first try did not show correctly. This is because Gmail does not support embedded base64 image. For the logo image to be showed correctly, we need to host the image somewhere else. Thank you for watching. Well, actually, let's take it further. Receiving emails with the same content every time is very standard nowadays, don't you think? Since we already have some experience with AI, let's use it to generate the email content. This way, the email can have different style or tone of writing every time we need to send it to our customer. Let's use the same tech stack with our previous experiments, local AI with llama.cpp as the backend, Hermes 2 Theta AI model and AutoGen for the framework. First, we create a new class for the email generator. We only need one AI agent this time. To generate the email content, we ask the agent to rewrite our previous email template with the specific style or tone of writing. We can randomize it later when we call the method. We also need to experiment with the temperature settings of the model file. For now I use 0.8. To test the generation, we create a simple wizard, and of course we also need to specify the access control for the wizard. We then modify the POS order code to use the email generator. And let's use the updated design for our module default template. Now let's test it. If you don't have email server yet, you still can test the module. The email will be marked as failed and stored in the database. To see the failed email, go to Settings and choose Email from the technical menu. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification so you won't miss my experiments and tutorials.